So this is the area where we have hexagonal foundations. I wonder what this is for, but it's not really my baby or my area. But I think it's good for us to see. This is another big hexagonal foundation. This one. Now we are heading to SS42, substation 42. So for substation 42, this is my baby. We are done with all the transformer foundations, and we are about going for the substructure. So as you can see, scaffold platforms are being prepared. So we advance to superstructure. This is highly restricted, but I think we can find our way around it. I greet you, Viano. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So this is one of the foundation for the transformers. This is a firewall waiting to be casted. These guys over there, they are doing installation of beams. Installation of beams for the first floor of the superstructure. As you can see, scaffolders are working. It's massive. Feeling ongoing. Morning, sir. So directly behind it is FAR 20. This is how FAR 20 looks like. So we did clean concrete to welcome reinforcement works for the slab, first slab. So these are reinforcements for the slab. So this is a wall. This is the foundation for a wall. Most of the walls here are concrete walls because they are electrical substations and far buildings. So it's necessary to be fireproof and so on, blast proof. Good morning. Good morning.
We see every day. Nothing there. Nothing. No pump.
No, wait. So this is a wall. It's not really easy for these guys, but it's the job. You have to follow up. So this link concrete was poured yesterday, and today we are starting reinforcement installation for floor slab. Bonny. Bonny. So this is the ramp. These are internal walls. This is another pump ready to cast. I think you want to cast this from. Okay, to be continued. This is SS41. This is the first substation. So far we've gone up to superstructure. So we have been preparing to hand over to First Marine, Bonny. So it's concrete repairs going ongoing. This is actually a firewall. No.